Have you ever wondered if Paysafe, the global payments giant, is a sound long-term investment? It's a question that many investors have been pondering, given its strategic position in the rapidly evolving digital payments landscape. In this video, we'll delve deep into Paysafe, examining its business model, financial performance, competitive landscape, and future prospects. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a leading global payments platform that offers a comprehensive range of payment solutions to businesses and consumers worldwide. From online gaming and gambling to e-commerce and digital wallets, Paysafe's services enable seamless and secure transactions. Its core offerings include eCash, a digital wallet solution that allows consumers to store and spend money online. Payment processing, facilitating transactions between merchants and consumers. Card issuing prepaid cards for various purposes. Acquiring, providing acquiring services for merchants. Business model and revenue streams. Paysafe's business model is primarily based on transaction fees and revenue sharing. Its key revenue streams include transaction fees, charges levied on each transaction processed through its platform. Revenue sharing, sharing revenue with partners in certain business lines. Other fees, additional fees for services such as card issuance and acquiring. Financial performance. To assess Paysafe's investment potential, it's crucial to examine its financial performance. Key metrics to consider include revenue growth. Has Paysafe consistently increased its revenue over time? Profitability. Is the company generating profits and improving its margins? Cash flow. Is Paysafe generating sufficient cash flow to fund its operations and investments? Debt levels. Does the company have a manageable debt burden? Insert specific financial data and analysis here. Competitive landscape. Paysafe operates in a highly competitive market, with major players such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Adyen. To maintain its market position, Paysafe must differentiate its offerings, provide unique value propositions to its customers, invest in innovation, stay ahead of the curve with new technologies and payment methods, build strong partnerships, collaborate with strategic partners to expand its reach. Future prospects. Paysafe's future prospects are closely tied to the growth of the digital payments industry. Key trends that could impact its business include mobile payments, the increasing adoption of mobile devices and mobile payment apps. Cross-border payments, the growing demand for international payments. Regulatory changes, the impact of new regulations on the payments industry. Technological advancements, the development of new payment technologies such as blockchain and cryptocurrency. Investment considerations. Before investing in Paysafe, it's essential to consider the following factors. Risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the risks associated with investing in a publicly traded company? Investment horizon. How long do you plan to hold your investment? Diversification. Does Paysafe fit into your overall investment strategy? Due diligence. Have you conducted thorough research on the company and its industry? Is Paysafe a good long-term investment? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. While the company has a strong market position and growth potential, there are also risks to consider. It's important to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.